Let's try again. So, highest power in this function y is x squared. So, we know that this is quadratic. Look at the value of a. Since a is -2, therefore the shape is a sad face. So, bila shape kamu adalah sedih, kat sini point ni adalah point yang paling tinggi kan? So, itu adalah maximum point. And to find the maximum point, we need to use CTS. So, salin balik y kamu. Syarat wajib untuk guna CTS adalah depan x square mesti positif 1. So, since we have -2 here, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna factorize -2 out from everything. Dapat dah macam ni, jangan lupa check balik. Kalau kamu expand ni, pastikan dia sama dengan yang atas. So, yang kita akan buat CTS adalah yang kat dalam ni. -2 ni sentiasa salin balik kat bawah. As per usual, when you do CTS, we're gonna have a big bracket, square, minus a small bracket, square. And then yang belakang ni, -5/2 ni salin balik. In this big bracket here, just put x at the front. And then, take the value in the middle, which is +2, you divide it by 2. So, +2 divided by 2. Salin balik ini kat dalam ni. -2 salin balik. Yang this one salin balik, jangan pergi expand. Kalau kamu expand, kamu dapat balik yang asal. Okay? So, this one sentiasa salin balik. And this one, kamu masuk calculator, kamu akan dapat -7/2. So, are we done yet? No, we still need to expand -2 inside the bracket again. So, untuk cari maximum point, mestilah kita nak cari koordinat x dengan y. So, to find the coordinate x, look at inside the bracket. Let x plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to -1. The y coordinate comes from the value at the back here, which is 7. So, the maximum point is -1, 7. To get x-intercepts, we substitute y equal to 0 into our function y. So, just tulis balik. So, perlu tak kamu tunjuk jalan kira? Tak perlu. Guna saja kalkulator kamu. Kamu tekan mode and then kamu cari sampai kamu dapat ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So, when you compare -2x square minus 4x plus 5 with ax square plus bx plus c, a is -2, b is -4, c is equal to 5. So, kamu substitute ke dalam kalkulator. So, a is -2 equal sign, b is -4 equal sign, and c is +5 equal sign. Dan kamu akan dapat nilai x kamu 0.87 dengan -2.87. So, from here you can write the coordinate. The first one is 0.870. The second one is -2.870. To find y-intercept, substitute x equal to 0 into our function y. Therefore, the coordinate is 0, 5. So, let's try and sketch our graph. Lukis dulu x-axis dengan y-axis. And then, let's look at our x-intercept and y-intercept. X-intercept is 0.870 and -2.87 with 0. The next one is 0, 5. So that's the y-intercept. So this means that our function should touch all these x and y intercept. Okay, so kalau kita tengok balik basic shape kita, the basic shape is a set face. Sebelum kamu nak lukis kamu punya graf tu, jangan lupa kata kita ada kita punya maximum point. And our maximum point is at -1, 7. So, kalau kamu lukis graf kamu, try lah bagi kena semua point yang ada tu. Kalau tak kena, kamu padam balik and then kamu tulis balik. Like this one here. So, this is our graph. So, are we done yet? Kalau kita tengok balik pada kita punya soalan. Tada! Kita ada extra maklumat kat sini. So, maksudnya, instead of the usual 3 steps, we have another step. So, we need to consider x equal to -3 and it is a dense circle because it has equal sign. When x is equal to 2, we need an empty circle because it doesn't have equal sign. So, kita kena cari y coordinate untuk x -3 dan juga x equal to 2 ni. So, let's plot -3, -1 first. So, this is -3. And we use a dense circle here. The y coordinate is -1. Next, we plot the coordinate of 2, -11 using an empty circle. Say that 2 is here. So, kalau kamu lukis, graf kamu ni still tak cukup panjang, so kamu kena sambung bagi dia panjang. And the y coordinate is -11. So, the interval of x is between -3 until +2 only. So, cuma ada graf dekat sini sahaja. So, macam mana dengan graf yang kat luar ni? Which is here and here. Kita padam. So, dapatlah graf kita. Okay, cuba tengok. Habis tak lagi? Kita ada x-axis, y-axis, kita ada x-intercept, etc. semua tu. Tetapi kita tak label y kita. So, dapatlah kita punya graf ni. Okay. And then, kita cari kita punya domain dengan range macam biasa. For domain, we can look at the question, especially at the extra information given. So, this is our domain. And for range, we look at the y-axis from bottom to top. Okay, so kalau kita scan kita punya graf, dia tak ada graf daripada negative infinity ni. Dia start kita punya graf pada y equal to -11. And it will use open bracket because this is empty circle. So, graf kita start dari sini. Dia naik, ada graf, ada graf, ada graf, ada graf, ada graf, ada graf. Sampailah y equal to 7 only. Kat sini kita akan letak close bracket because our graph touches y equal to 7. Kat atas ni dah tak ada graph dah. So this is how we find the domain and range for this question.